Hi people, welcome back again to the channel. It's been a while. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I've been like very busy, but you guys, I'll be consistent from now henceforth. Both the live videos and every other thing I've been doing, I'm back full. My hair was already weaved, so we just decided to go ahead to wear her the wig, and then after that we just apply the glue around the parameters of her head. So this video or this wig is actually like a 360 wig or 360 frontal. So at this point I am installing the front part of the head first before I go ahead to install the back part of the head. So this is actually like it's an old frontal of old wig, so you guys just bear with us. So like I said before, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to place a frontal, how to install a frontal, and all the whole preparation before the installation, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So after applying and placing the frontal, I'm just going to go ahead to tie a band around. So I'm using like two different bands, the one that will help secure the front part, and then the one that will help secure the back part as well. For this wig is actually a 360 frontal hair, so I actually forgot to place the camera where you guys can actually see the placing or the installation of the back part of the 360 frontal. But if you want to see that as well, I'm going to make a video on that, so you can just indicate in the comment section below. After placing and laying the frontal, I'm just going to go ahead to start styling the hair because she wants like a bond and a coil or coils around the bond as well. So just stay tuned. First, for the placing and the styling of the hair or the wig, I'm just going to go ahead to pack the hair into a pony using a thread to do so. Like I love to use thread, like a black thread to do so. I don't like to use like a rubber band. Thread actually makes it easier for me to style, especially when I'm doing like a packing gel or packing the hair into a pony. After packing, the next thing is just to cover up the thread, and I'm using some strands of hair like so, and I'm going to be using spray gel to also help secure the whole covering of the thread. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to start styling the tip, and to style the tip I'm using a coiler. So at this point I'm just going to allow you to watch the whole process. After the styling of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead to start making her up. Like I'm going to glam her up.
So you go for that pageant. Like when they are queens, people that are emerged queens, if you see them, you like their life, the way they will change their portfolio once. So at least this one now you know that. Okay.
You're busy.
I want to tongue my hair. Okay. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Another place. Your love is wicked, wicked, wicked. Kill 'em. I can't get through my day. You feel me?
So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for other juicy content that will be coming up your way. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Think you change.